Path, Leadership Skills by Mr. Shanmugasundaram.
Thank you. Good evening. Our friend has given you the beautiful energy. The energy level has gone to high peak level, is it not? Yes, definitely. And you are going to maintain the same energy throughout the night, and you are going to learn a lot of new things and a lot of new skills on the same premises. And you are really lucky people to get all the soft skills in under one roof and on one single day. Really lucky people, right? Okay. Now the world scenario is completely changing. Corporate scenario is completely changing. Nowadays corporates don't want just ordinary employees. Corporate don't want just managers. They want somebody else, some other quality based people. What they expect? What the corporates expect from you? They don't want just employees. They want you to work as leaders. So we are going to see who could be a leader. Who is a leader here? How many of you sitting here want to be real leaders? Good. You are already a leader, yeah? Only thing I have to make you to understand that you are already a leader, right? So who is a leader? A person who rises to the occasion. Ordinary employee, a manager may be an ordinary employee. He will be doing ordinary work, what are the works allotted to him. He just manages, but a leader rises to the occasion. If something is required, immediately he will come up. No post, no designation, nothing. He will immediately come, yes, I will take care. I will do the job. I will monitor. I will supervise. Just like that, right? So the person who rises to the occasion, right? I want 2 batches of people, please, just volunteers to come here, please. 4 plus 4, totally. Maybe girls, maybe also included. 4. 4 persons this side, 4 this side. Only 5 have come. 3 more. Please. Three plus 3. Okay, fine. I will manage this 3. Right? 2 more interested, you can come and join. Come. Please. 1 more. 1 more person. Please come. Please, please. Give a big hand to those people who have volunteered. And I ask the people, many people have not come, right? Is it not? Many people hesitated. These people voluntarily came here, right? So it deserves a real applause for, right? I am going to treat this group as one set of leaders. I am going to treat another set of leaders here, right? What do you expect? The qualities from this group of people, leaders. And what a leader should be, in your vision, in your idea, a leader should have some quality. Isn't it? Right? What are the qualities you expect from one group of leaders, young budding leaders? Right? They have mic, please. Right. A leader should be, what should be the quality?
He should have dedication.
A dedication. Okay, done. Come on.
The work they do is must be unique.
Must be unique. Okay.
It must be attractive and motivate the other people to do that.
Attractive and motivate the other person to do it. Okay. The mic.
He should be first of all energetic.
Energetic, yeah.
And he should lead the team in a proper way and coordinating and organizing.
You should lead the group in a proper way and coordinate among the thing. Right. Okay.
Leader can make the planning first and after that you coordinate the subordinate.
To execute the same. Good. Come on. What are the leader should have?
The leader should know how to get the work from the colleague in the polite manner.
Okay.
And that work should not be get delayed. Not be get late.
Okay.
It should be finished as much as possible.
Okay.
What's the time given by the leader?
Okay. You supervise everything and it's done in the right time. Okay.
Yeah, according to myself, a leader should have a listening skill.
Listening skills. Okay, fine,
Yeah.
fine.
And as well as they should have understanding between the subordinates as well as the higher authorities.
Understanding the persons. Good. Okay, fine.
Then he should have a good communication skill, not even in the sense of where he needs, but he should communicate to both the subordinates as well
As well as higher. Good communication skills. Good. You tell me.
Having the capacity to get the work done at time.
You should have the capacity to get the works done from a team, right? Okay, then. Be ready for the next points.
Leader should be adaptive to the workers.
Adaptable. Yeah, adaptable to any situation. Whatever be the thing. Yes, he is ready to adaptable. Right. Come on. Please, wait, please. Any other points?
He should be able to monitor up to the root level of the workers.
He should monitor up to the root level what is happening, how the people are doing, whether they are going towards the objective of the organization. Good.
The people in the group must accept their views. That in the sense they must be the role model.
Role model. Their leader should play as a role model so that people are convinced, right? So they will accept him. Okay, they will.
Subordinate should share his success.
Share it. Yeah, leader should share the success with the team members, right?
And
he should not take the credit.
If failure suffers, leader should take the burden of the failure.
Whatever be the failure, if any setbacks are there, leader should take on his head. He should not pass on to the members, right?
In a group of words, then he fly, the leader should be in first.
Okay.
That's the leader will the way where we go, and they will be allocated there where we.
Okay. How to lead? Actually, totally. How to lead? Right? Good. Fine. Next point. Come on.
The leader should not show his leadership quality at all the time whenever he is working, colleagues are working with him.
You should not behave just like a leader always, right? Just like another colleague.
If it's a lunch or break time means he should be mingle with the staff. Then
the same wavelength. Coming to the same wavelength and move with the people. Good. Move along with the people. Come on.
A leader should have a future forecasting.
And how the things are going to happen.
Yeah, you should have a very good prediction, and you should have a decision making.
Proper decision making. Good.
He should know about his employees.
Yeah, he should know about the team, about the employees. Without knowing, he can't lead.
By whom correctly.
Good. Okay, fine.
He should come down on. He should come down and work out with the employees.
Come down to the employees level.
To encourage the employees, while the manager is working with ours, he should work with the energetic same like.
Good. With the same energy, he should work. Come. Next point.
In teamwork, if any success comes means he should be able to admire that success as for the whole team. And if any failure comes means he should be admire that the failure is on behalf of his.
Okay, because of him only, he should not take the pride. Right, good.
He must make the people under him to understand the situation and other environmental activities.
Okay. Understand situation. Okay, understand the environment. Right.
And he should treat them as a family friends.
Just like friends. Right. Friends level rather than
self-motivator. Self-motivator. Motivator.
Good motivator. Yeah. A leader should motivate the team. He should be in a position to motivate the people. Right. Okay. Then. Must hand the mic to somebody else. Okay, no problem.
Yeah, since my friend told he should have a very good planning. Yeah. After the planning, he should coordinate the work. That is the main important. The planning,
see that the work is done.
Yeah. Like we should coordinate the work according to the person who is suitable to that.
Okay.
That makes the work effective and.
Which work should be allotted to which person? That capacity a leader should have.
Yeah,
right?
sure, absolutely.
Sure. Okay, that good. Okay. So these are the plus points we find. Overall, I have made you ready for the interview now. If any question is asked in the interview, now you know what are the leadership skills, isn't it? All the audience know now, right? And you are also prepared yourself what are things. Now, from 8 of these, how many of your real leaders, maximum qualities you have? You have told more than 35, around 30, 35, right? Maximum qualities you have. Who can volunteer? I have the maximum. Please raise your hand. Good. Here 8 leaders are already there, right? Another 30, 40, 60 people are sitting there. Definitely you are going to make everybody a winner and everybody a good leader, right? What are the things we don't like in a leader? That also should know. If at all we have such thing, we should take away from our system, isn't it? Egoness, right? Ego.
It's like.
What is that? Come on, please, no problem. Be ready.
He must be cool and planned.
He must be cool. No. What are things he should not have? A leader should not have.
likewise tensing and making the environment more
more tense and
abrupt environment.
Okay. You should not spoil the environment. Okay.
If an employee undergoes uncompleting circumstances, so then the leader should